All right, boys, there you go. There we go. All right, send this out to the. All right, boys. This is the call. This is the put that we're in right here. Took this Buzzbot put right here. We're gonna leave our stop right here. We're looking good. Looking good. All right, let's just send this out to. All right, boys. This is the call. This is the put that we're in right here. Took this Buzzbot put right here. We're gonna leave our stop right here. Fuck. We're looking good. Looking good. All right, let's just send this out to. All right, boys. This is the.
We'll see what happens
This is
here.
the put that we're in right here. Small size. Took this. Taking the orb breakout. Buzzbot put right here.
Tesla.
Leave,
Oh
our stop
my
right
lord,
here.
bro. When
Looking
I tell
good.
you we entered right here, right before this gap even started.
Looking
right
good.
before we got into the
All right,
gap,
let's
sorry.
just send this out to.
Oh my god.
This is the.
We'll see what happens
This is
here.
the put that we're in right here. Small size. Took this. Taking the orb breakout.
Insane trade.
Buzzbot
And we
put
can
right
go
here.
back.
Tesla. Leave,
Oh
our stop
my
right
lord,
here.
bro.
8:35.
When I tell you
that
we
would've
entered
been
right here,
right
yeah.
before this gap even started. So really on this candle is when we got in.
okay,
Where's the
sorry.
close?
Out to.
Close is right
Oh
there.
my god.
This is
It
the
looks
small
happens here.
put that we're in right here. Small size. Took this. Taking the
Bro,
orb breakout.
insane trade.
Buzzbot.
And
I
we
sent
can
this
go
alert
back.
out Tesla.
Oh my lord, bro.
8:35.
When I tell you
that
we
would've
entered
been
right here,
right
yeah.
before this gap even started. So really on this candle is when we got in. Where's the close? Close is right there.
Oh my god.
This is
It
the
looks
small
happens here.
put that we're in right here. Small size. Took this.
Just gotta
taking
make
the
sure
orb
I got
breakout.
insane
Buzzbot. I
trade.
sent this
We
alert
go
out
back.
Tesla.
I'm not gonna act like
my
some of the same
lord,
luck, bro.
8:35.
When I tell you
that
we
would've
entered
been
right here,
right
yeah.
before
Wasn't
this gap
predicting that,
even
I'll tell you
started.
that.
So really on this
Looking
candle
good.
is when we got in. Where's the close? Definitely
Close is
looking
right
good.
there.
Oh my god.
This
This
is
is
the
the
small
small put that we're in right here. Small size. Took this.
Just gotta
taking
make
the
sure
orb
I got
breakout.
insane
Buzzbot. I sent this
trade.
alert out Tesla.
I'm not gonna act like some of the same luck,
Mine
bro.
8:35.
When I tell you
that
we
would've
entered
been
right here, yeah.
before
Wasn't
this gap
predicting that,
even
I'll tell you
started.
that.
So really on this
Looking
candle
good.
is when we got in. Where's the close? Definitely
Close
looking
is
good.
right there.
Oh my god.
This
This
is
is
the
the
small
small put that we're in right here. Small size. Took this.
Just gotta
taking
make
the
sure
orb
I got
breakout.
insane
Buzzbot. I
trade.
sent this alert out Tesla.
I'm not gonna act like some of the same luck, bro.
8:35.
When I tell you
that
we
would've
entered
been
right here, yeah.
before
Wasn't
this gap
predicting that,
even
I'll tell you
started.
that.
So really on this candle is when we got in. Where's the close? Definitely looking good.
Oh my god.
This is
It
the
looks happens
small
here.
put that we're in right here. Small size.
Just gotta
taking
make
the
sure
orb
I got
breakout.
insane
Buzzbot. I
trade.
sent this alert out Tesla.
I'm not gonna act like some of the same luck, bro.
8:35.
When I tell you
that
we
would've
entered
been
right here, yeah.
before
Wasn't
this gap
predicting that,
even
I'll tell you
started.
that.
So really on this candle is when we got in. Where's the close? Definitely looking good.
Oh my god.
This is
It
the
looks happens here.
put that we're in
Bang,
right
bang,
here.
bang.
Small size.
Just gotta
taking
make
the
sure
orb
I got
breakout.
insane
I sent this
trade.
alert out Tesla.
I'm not gonna act like some of the same luck, bro.
8:35.
When I tell you
that
we
would've
entered
been
right here, yeah.
before
Wasn't
this gap
predicting that,
even
I'll tell you
started.
that.
So really on this candle is when we got in. Where's the close? Definitely looking good.
Oh my god.
This is
It
the
looks happens here.
put that we're in
Bang,
right
bang,
here.
bang.
Small size.
These calls are
gotta
fucking
make sure
crazy,
I
bro.
got
Insane.
I sent this alert out Tesla.
I'm not gonna act like some of the same luck, bro.
8:35.
When I tell you
that
we
would've
entered
been
right here, yeah.
before
Wasn't
this gap
predicting that,
even
I'll tell you
started.
that.
So really on this candle is when we got in. Where's the close? Definitely looking good.
Oh my god.
This is
It
the
looks happens here.
put that we're in
Bang,
right
bang,
here.
bang.
Small size.
These calls are
gotta
fucking
make sure
crazy,
I
bro.
got
Insane.
I sent this alert out Tesla.
I'm not gonna act like some of the same luck, bro.
8:35.
When I tell you
that
we
would've
entered
been
right here, yeah.
before
Wasn't
this gap
predicting that,
even
I'll tell you
started.
that.
So really on this candle is when we got in. Where's the close? Definitely looking good.
Oh my god.
This is
It
the
looks happens here.
put that we're in
Bang,
right
bang,
here.
bang.
Small size.
These calls are
gotta
fucking
make sure
crazy,
I
bro.
got
Insane.
I sent this alert out Tesla.
I'm not gonna act like some of the same luck, bro. When I tell you we entered right here, yeah. Wasn't predicting that, I'll tell you
So
that.
really on this candle is when we got in. Where's the close?
I'm using Trinity
Definitely
right
looking
now.
good.
Oh my
This
god.
is
It looks
the
happens here.
put that we're in
Bang,
right
bang.
here. Small size.
These calls are
gotta
fucking
make sure.
crazy.
Okay, let me know if this is better now. Better? Better. This is what having schizophrenia is like. This is frying me. Fix the audio, it's looping. Guys, I'm so sorry. Let me know if this is better. That's fucking hilarious. Okay, bet. Boys, look at this. Oh my god. Come on, break this level and we fly down here. Yup.
Yep. What we got here? Okay. No gap really. If you wanna, oh boys, you also have to try this new indicator. It's called Fair Value Gap IFVG right here.
This thing is elite, bro.
What up, Jello? Good to see you in here again. But yeah, this thing is fire. I'll send this out to the Discord, but it's up here. I guess you guys can't see it. Yeah. And it shows the fair value gaps. It's not 100% accurate, but it does help. I guess this is pretty accurate right here. Gap. See, I wish it would fill it when it's done though. But yeah. Good little trade right here. Tesla needs to keep on pushing, brother. Well, if Tesla left some gaps. Let's see. What did Tesla end up getting to? You see that? Oh my fucking god, bro. These cons saw a high of 1665. Bang. Bang, bang. I bet. Oh wait, I forgot to send out this link to the free chat, bro. What am I doing? Okay, boys. Sorry about that. Let me know if you guys want to see anything. I'm down to take a look around at some different stocks here. I actually want to go like this. Yeah, this looks much better. You guys don't have to look at my shit. There you go. I bet. Bet. Let's see. How's Nvidia looking? 207. Looking like it's draining a little bit. Let's see. SPY come down. Dude, I think SPY's gonna give us a great opportunity for a call. I'm obviously in these puts, but I'm not gonna hold these very long. Volume all the way up. Sounds like you're far away from Mike. I don't know what to do about that. I can try and make y'all closer. EOS still looking good. Oh yeah, let me check on EOS. I mean it's still looking good for show, but yeah, up a percent. Kind of just being lame. They report earnings on the 6th. Yeah. Literally doubling the most revenue they've ever done in a year in one quarter. Audio is fine for me. Volume's fine. Okay, bet. I won't fuck with it then. But yeah, I mean EOS is clearly flagging. I mean like this looks insane. And Tesla is flying again, bro. Back up. How are these cons? Where are these cons at? These cons are at 1555, boys. Holy fuck. I mean, this is insane. Tesla finally doesn't shaft me, and it gives me 100% for the one time. Ain't that nice? Palantir's also up today. Let's throw on the fair value again, Johnny. All right. Bro, these chart colors are kind of fire, bro. You cannot lie. Audio's fine. Bet. How's SoFi? SoFi's looking good too. Up 2%. Damn, bro, fuck. Right before I sent out the Tesla one, I was just looking at this trend and I was like, yeah, they look like they kind of bottomed there at 28. But obviously that was Friday, but I'm talking about today when they were working their way back out. I still don't even dislike calls here. I mean, obviously. They reported earnings last week. They beat their last earnings. They did. They did. I don't want to chase, but I do like that. What is Joby down? Oh my god, of course, bro. The second I alert a stock, it gets a downgrade, bro. What are the odds? What are the odds? Damn, small caps are low-key not doing very well. My portfolio is really not up that much besides this Tesla call, obviously. Only up, let's see. Yeah. Nothing really, bro. That was SPY did too. See, check in on that SPY. All right, we'll get out of these. We'll get out of these at break even because um, I do want to target back up. That's fine with me. I mean, I took one contract just to see what happened. So obviously we're focusing this Tesla one a little bit more, which I'm very happy that we did. I think Tesla can come here and just chop around and then make a bigger move. Experiences higher volatility after the election, peaking at 488. What are they talking about the election for, bro? That was a year ago. Sales resume fall in European markets. That's what it is. Okay, so they're gonna start selling in in Europe. Bro, UNH is what is going on with this stock? I'm gonna buy 5 shares. Or wait, oh fuck off! I almost bought. Well, I'm gonna buy a couple shares of Snow in the Roth. Should put about 7, 6. Bet. I just purchased 6 shares of Snow in the Roth. Buzz, think you should just keep 1 share of Irene for now? I don't think that's gonna matter. And then once Meta goes up, we'll take the Meta and put the Meta into the we'll take our Meta profits and the equity from that and put it into Snow as well. Because I really do like the way Snow's looking. Okay, Open's only down 2% today. Open still looks good. I mean, we're thinking, we're playing earnings if you're gonna play it at all. I mean, you got a clear flag here. Go ahead and turn these off here. But yeah, I mean, I think it still looks really good. Now, if it loses like structure or like starts to just like pour down, then no. But and then same with RR. I mean, I think it's the stock offering that people are really scared of. But I think it really can come down to 4, and I would kind of like it at that level if we can bounce around this range. Like if we can get a bounce right here, bro. Oh, we're bullish as fuck. If we can reverse off this range, that's pretty bullish. Obviously, we need to see like the momentum and shit step back in, but yeah, definitely not as bullish as it was before. But once again, robotics is a new sector. It's gonna take time to play out, and at the end of the day, you're still wedging down in this formation right here. So, or even flagging, whatever you want to call it. So at the end of the day, you're chilling. Now, whatever the hell's going on with UNH is kind of pissing me off, bro. But Irene's up good. SoFi, ETH, or EHTH. Dutch Bros finally making a little bit of a comeback. Melly baby up 2%. Okay. Okay. That was a pretty good buy. Actually, dude. Right. Still, see, this is what I'm talking about with Tesla. I mean, look at this, bro. We might be going higher. Wow. Bro, this Still need to get a mouse or a mouse pad. Alright. Thoughts on Lumen? Let me look at Oscar real quick over at. Yeah, Oscar, same thing, still looking good. Don't care what it does on the daily. Care what it does on the monthly, and we're still green. We're still plenty green. I'd love to see it hold this area though. And if we fall below this area, if earnings are bad, could get a little interesting. But I do like Oscar still, and we're selling those covered calls, so like we're still looking great on those covered calls. Lumen. Oh wow. What the hell? What does this company do, bro? This looks kind of good. If they have decent financials, well, let me check on the financials. No, man. Why couldn't this stock have good financials, bro? They have such a good setup, but this looks. I mean, the setup looks great. Don't get me wrong, but with zero financials and the stock being up from $3 all the way up to 12 already, it's an unfortunate pass. It's an unfortunate. Oh, there we go. We gonna see something good here. All right, hold on, boys. I got an idea. I'll be right back. God. How long does it take an idiot to make a coffee, bro? Too damn long, I'll tell you that. My bad, my bad. Alright, let's check in on how the rest of this shit is doing, buddy. Boys, I got a fire lineup of videos for you guys. And I'm saying a fire lineup of videos. God damn. Yeah, it's gonna be. Them shit's gonna be good. Them shit's gonna be good. I'm telling you. Alright. So we're going pretty well on there. Tesla looks like it's pulled back a good bit. That's fine. We already got out of those. Meta. Come on now. Man. What is down? What is having the S&P 500 down? Apple? I mean, I guess, but like, I don't get it. I mean, Nvidia's up 2.5%. When have you ever seen the S&P red when Nvidia's up 2.5%? That's what has me a little concerned. But that also means, if Nvidia's the flush, you're cooking to the downside. So makes you think. It's kind of hard to judge when markets move like that. Checking on the Discord, see what boys up to. Profits. Let's see, we got another Tesla call. Wow, bro. This dude is just insane, bro. All right, boys. Well, I'm gonna work on getting the voice channel ready. I'm probably gonna go live on TikTok, and do some of the rest of my work here, and continue to watch charts. But if you guys do want to continue to watch the stream, come watch it over on TikTok. I'm gonna go stream over there. Normally just get a little bit more engagement, but